What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another video. So, this video is about the aftermath of Hurricane Delta. Hurricane Delta is a hurricane that hit Louisiana. It was a category 2. So, this morning, I looked at my house. Didn't really look at it like that. Well, I looked at everything on the outside except the AC unit. So, now that I'm looking, I came back to my house from looking at all my rentals, because every time we have a hurricane or something, you gotta go look at your assets, look at what happened, look at the damages, just in case of insurance. So one house, big tree fell, it's leaning up against the house, tenants okay, no major damage to the house, but the corner of the house, is pretty damaged. I'll show y'all a video of that. This tree fell right here, so it's a good thing about having insurance. It's definitely gonna be a claim. Got the wire fell. So we're gonna see what happens with this. Okay, so not too much damage in the house, but it's big tree for sure. My very first one I ever purchased have a lot of trees and branches in the yard, but again, no damage to the house. I have to double check with the tenant to make sure that nothing happened on the inside. Few trees. Another property, I showed y'all the property with the tenant walked through. A lot of shingles came off the roof, so that's the only, I think I wait to see maybe like 5 or 6 properties. I didn't go see the rest just yet, so I give y'all an update on those. But as of now, everything is good. All the tenants are safe, my family's safe, I'm safe. But my house, the only damage I had was the AC unit flipped over. So I hit my AC man up to see if I could just pick it up and put it back on the slab. So yeah, just pick it up. So we're gonna see. Our power's still out, so I don't know if the AC is gonna work. I think it's gonna work. So we're just gonna pick it up, put it back where it was, and then we'll see. So make sure you always got insurance on your property. So talking about hurricanes and insurance, one of my properties from Hurricane Laura, I'm sorry, 2 of them, I didn't notice that we didn't have insurance. We didn't have insurance on them since 2018. So I was never notified about it. The bank never notified me about it. Insurance never notified me about it. But the thing about it is, most of the time when you don't get a notification or anything, they just restart your insurance policy. So since 2018, didn't have insurance on 2 properties. So one, we put insurance on it soon after we found out, and then the other one, I couldn't put insurance on it because that's when Hurricane Laura came. So before the hurricane came, I was trying to figure out if all the properties had insurance. So that's when I figured out that 2 of the properties did not have insurance. One of them I was allowed to get insurance on it, and then the one in Lake Charles I wasn't, because the storm was going straight towards Lake Charles. So I'll show y'all pictures of all these houses that I'm talking about, so just stay tuned. Let me try to pick up this AC unit, and then we'll see how this goes real quick. Got it back. Looking a little ratchet, so y'all don't talk about what I got on. I just put on some clothes and try to hurry and pick it up. But a lot easier than I expected, so we're not gonna know if it's working until the power comes back on. So now we're getting power from our generator. So I got some good news. Our power is finally back on. So the power was out It turned off Friday around 7 o'clock and it came back on Sunday around 9. So however many hours it is, that's how long our power was off, but I'm happy the power's back on. My AC unit working, blowing cold, so you know I'm grateful for that. But so the other a few rentals got messed up, about 4 of them. So we gotta do some insurance claims today, see how that works. So I'm gonna show y'all. And both of these properties got damaged in Hurricane Laura. That's the crazy part. So one got totally messed up. It was in Lake Charles, Louisiana. And then the other one, just some roof stuff. It wasn't too bad. Got some roof damage. A couple shingles flew off, but it also got damaged doing Delta. So we're gonna file a claim for that to make sure it get fixed. But I really don't have to fix it. But you know, I'm a good guy because both of those houses rent to own. So the one in Lake Charles, you know, the tenant fixing that. But the good thing about that is the tenant buyer is a contractor with he's the head sheetrock guy for DSLD, which is a development company out here in Louisiana. So, you know, it's something that you gotta learn. Something that I learned from this whole experience is make sure you always got your insurance. Don't rely on the insurance broker or the banker to remind you. You know that's something that we need to do as investors. You know, protect your assets. So that's something I really learned. And I'm checking every quarter, making sure all the insurance straight, making sure the deductibles where it need to be, things like that. But I gotta file a claim on the property that y'all seen with the tenant, the live tenant. If y'all didn't see that video, make sure y'all go check it out. It's the last video I posted. The shingles on that house came completely off. Not a lot of it. Yeah, a lot of shingles came off. So we're gonna try to make sure we do a claim on that. Another house, as y'all seen, the tree fell. And I think that's it. That might be it. So yeah, 3 houses. So you know, I appreciate y'all staying tuned, watching the whole video. Again, I got a discount code for the Interest-Free Money Guide, the business credit book, ebook. The promo code is in the description. So if you watch it all the way to the end, you can get it for $19.99. Make sure you go grab that. Also, if you want a consultation, call me. You can also book that at the bottom, link down in the description. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video. Peace.